This is for Elise from the grade 3 book, and I'm going to show you the right hand first. So here's middle C. You start on the E that's 2 above middle C. So first of all you wiggle onto the black note, down to C, E, A, and B at the top, E, G sharp, B, and C at the top. This time E to C and down. Then you do the whole thing again. Low to high. The next bit you move 2 to B and go up by step. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Then we've got the left hand. Left wiggle, right wiggle, left, and back to the beginning. You do have the option of repeating that section again that goes from the 2 on the B